On September 5, 2022, a powerful shallow earthquake occurred in the southwest China. Several counties and cities in the Sichuan province, including the administrative center Chengdu, which is a home to 21 million people, felt the force of the tremors. In Luding County, the earthquake was so strong that people had difficulty even standing on their feet. Hundreds of homes were completely destroyed, and many had cracks. Numerous landslides damaged roads and highways. Several hydroelectric power plants were damaged. Unfortunately, the earthquake took the lives of at least 70 people. In addition, dozens of people were injured and missing. Rescue operations were carried out actively in the disaster area. Every day in different parts of the world, more and more people find themselves in the midst of the raging natural disasters. A unified rescue service is the real way out in the face of growing cataclysms, and we can create it in the format of the creative society.